Learning different fruits names. Learning different fruits names. Apple, apricot, avocado. Apple, apricot, avocado. Banana, blueberry, blackberry. Banana, blueberry, blackberry. Cherry, coconut, cantaloupe. Cherry, coconut, cantaloupe. Dragon fruit, dates. Dragon fruit, dates. Elderberry, egg fruit. Elderberry, egg fruit. Fig, feijoa. Fig, feijoa. Grapes, guava, gooseberry. Grapes, guava, gooseberry. Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. Indian fig. Indian fig. Jackfruit, jujube. Jackfruit, jujube. Kiwi, kumquat. Kiwi, kumquat. Lemon, lime, lychee. Lemon, lime, lychee. Mango, melon, mulberry. Mango, melon, mulberry. Nectarine. Nectarine. Orange, olive. Orange, olive. Pineapple, papaya, peach, pear, plum. Pineapple, papaya, peach, pear, plum. Quince. Quince. Raspberry, rambutan. Raspberry, rambutan. Strawberry, starfruit. Strawberry, starfruit. Tangerine, tomato. Tangerine, tomato. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Vanilla bean. Vanilla bean. Watermelon. Watermelon. Xigua. Xigua. Yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit. Ziziphus. Ziziphus.